Hey, so you're trying to build your business as a network marketer or affiliate marketer online to make money, as an entrepreneur. Well, you came to the right place. I'm going to let you know the three things that you need in order to make money online and actually take your business from offline to online and start getting results, right? So if you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta, and a couple years back I was $87,000 in debt. And I didn't know what I was going to do. I didn't know how I would get out of it. I didn't know what I would do. I just wanted something more for myself, and I was stressed. I was depressed, and I was just looking for a way out. And then I came across some mentors that showed me a concept of how I could actually build my business online, and that enabled me to start getting results in business, online. And there's three simple things that you need to use in order to, get results. The first thing is you need to always be building an audience, always have your audience together. And your audience could be through Facebook, through YouTube, and through your email list and paid advertising, So, building your email list is very, very important. And, having a system in place to do that is how we are able to build up an email list. And this system right here is what, I use in order to do that. It's what you're going to do when you first come in here. Is pretty much, watch this video and it shows you the three simple steps of building any business online. And then the funnel builder is actually going to show you how to set up your domain and how to set up your autoresponder to actually get results. And then after you do that, is what you need to learn about, funnel building. And, pretty much it's going to show you how to create your own funnel, how to optimize for mobile, how to create a custom tracking pixel, how to create exit pops. It's going to show you how to create a sales funnel. It's going to show you how to track your leads in the builder. It's going to show you how to sell your own products, do upsells and downsells. Like an upsell is whenever somebody buys from you and they buy something else. A downsell is when they don't buy anything and you offer something else of lower value, but still of lower price, but still the same value. Like good value. It's going to show you how to actually build out a membership site. So if you wanted to build out a membership site, you could do that. It's going to show you how to host your videos. And you could also have a appointment booker, which is something that you're going to need when you start talking to people, right? So you're going to need a appointment booker to be able to book appointments with people and talk to them and close the sales, right? And then you're also going to need to know how to follow up in email and how to do split testing to see which pages convert. It's very, very important that you know this stuff. And then you're going to learn, how to build out your site, and it's very, very cool because you're going to learn how to do that. Okay? And that's the first thing that you need. And then when you have your funnel set up, is what you need to do is you need to learn how to get traffic to it. And the traffic methods that you're going to use first and foremost are free methods. And the free methods are how to launch your business, so you're going to know how to do that, how to invite people, how to follow up with people, and then how to get unlimited leads with Facebook. So you could use Facebook, you could use blogging, you could use YouTube, which is why you see my videos ranked in the top of the search engines. You could use podcasting, and you could also use things like, LinkedIn. You could use things like Facebook ads. You could use Facebook Lives, and you could also do a launch challenge, which actually you give value on the front end by a presentation, and then after you do that, you could actually sell on the back end, right? And that's how it works. and it's like an hour and a half presentation. And let's say, whatever you're selling has like a value of $500, right? And you get 10 people on a call, for example, and 5 of them convert, or 7 of them convert at $500, right? Then you just had a good hour and a half of sales, right? So then you could learn paid advertising. If you want to learn paid advertising, you would learn solo ad traffic, you would learn Facebook ads, and you would learn Facebook video ads, right? And then you could also you could also learn about conversions, right? So you're going to learn about how to close your leads, the inside of conversions, how to get people to convert, and then you're going to learn how to get people onboarded the right way. So that's very, very important. And then if you want to know more about it, you could also get coaching, which is a Monday night mastermind, which I was on last week, and I was giving them tips, and there was about 75 people on the Zoom call. So you could get on that every Monday night. Also during the day, there's a mastermind at 8 p.m. Eastern during the day. It's 9 a.m. I mean, 8 p.m. on Monday nights for the mastermind. At 9 a.m. every day, there's a Grow Rich call, which actually helps you with mindset. And then there's a Take Action mastermind, which actually shows you over the shoulder what the owners of the business are doing to grow their company. And then you could also get bonus trainings right here. And then there's also Done For You funnels. So if you want to have Done For You funnels and plug in, you could do that. So the first thing that you're going to need is the funnel, right? And the funnel builder tool is only $25 a month, and you get a $20 commission from that. Then you're going to need to know how to get traffic to it. And that gives you extra $100 a month for having the product and knowing how to get traffic, right? And then you're going to need to know how to actually, manage your finances when you start making money. So right here, you're going to learn how to eliminate debt, and then you're going to learn how to pay less in taxes and make more, right? So you're going to learn how to make more money, how to keep your records straight in your bookkeeping. And then you're going to learn other strategies to be able to actually make money online and actually invest your money that you make online into other things, so that way it's not taken in taxes. So you're going to learn about real estate, about assets, and having assets and putting your money into assets, so that way the money you make online, you can keep it. So those are the 3 things that you really need to have in place to have a successful business online. And if you get started with me today, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually make sure that you get at least 1,000 people to see your opportunity per month. If you get in with me and you go all in, but you got to go all in to show me that you're serious. If you're serious, I'm going to be serious about helping you to be able to get results. So, click on that link below this video to get started. And also, you could get in the Facebook group for free. That link is also in the description. All right. So, click on the links below this video, and I'll see you on the inside.